welcome back to another Boxycharm premium unboxing. This one is for August, I think, of 2021. This is still in like the mystery phase, and I couldn't quite 100% pin down what month was that again. So I think this is August anyway, but anyways, reaching in no particular order, right on top, we've got these fluffy guys from LaRouche, I'm not sure. This is the LaRouche Beauty Face Discs, and this set is $24. Wipe away your day with this alternative, eco-friendly solution to disposable makeup wipes and cotton pads. It contributes towards a safe and sustainable planet due to its reusability and washability. The organic bamboo cotton has soft plush fibers that will gently remove impurities. Its versatility means it can be used for different types of applications. Okay, that's cool. I'm not sure what else you can really use them for other than, like, removing makeup and washing your face, but maybe. If anybody is more well-versed with this, hit me up, let me know, give me ideas. I would love to know, because I have a few different types of sets of these now. Next, we have from Persona Cosmetics. This is the Dream Stick Bronzer in the color Sahara. Now, this retails for $26. Looks very dark. I don't know. They're showing it best for eyes, cheeks, and lips. So I guess it can be used in any of those places. Like, looks awful dark, but I mean, maybe, like, maybe blended out it's not so bad. I don't know. Like, I am hella iffy on that, but I suppose we'll take a look into it sometime. So, this is a clean, lightweight cream bronzing multi-stick formulated with skin-loving ingredients designed for an all-over, sun-kissed bronzed glow, available in 2 shades. Now I'm curious what the other shade is, if it's lighter or darker. Hopefully the other one's darker and this is the lighter one, but I don't know. I'm like, very iffy on that one. Not gonna lie. Then, from a brand I've never heard of, Vesca Beauty. This is the Lush Glow Creamy Lip Oil, and this retails for $26. Let's see it. You know, I love me some stuff like this. Oh, it says Orchid on the back. Wait, so it's like orchid colored, or, oh, look at that! Oh, look at that. Oh, that's lovely. Okay, I'm here for this. Hell yes. Alright. So, inspired by lush tropical gardens, this is a high pigment creamy lip treatment infused with Tahitian coconut oil and vitamin E for a dose of moisture that conditions and soothes lips. Its non-sticky, cushiony comfort delivers a dewy glow for your lips with every swipe. Each perfectly curated hue works for all skin tones. Let the fresh tropical scent transport you. I want to smell it. What's it smell like? Watch it be coconut. I hope it's not coconut. It's not! Ah, I'm so happy! What is that, though? Is that maybe papaya? Maybe dragon fruit? I don't know. It's like a nondescript fruity, but it's thankfully not coconut. Oh my god, I'm so stinking happy. Holy shit, I can't even. For those who might be new to this channel through this video, I have a coconut allergy. I'm okay with coconut oil, but milk, fruit, extract, I'm allergic to those. I'm hoping that maybe one day I'll outgrow that food allergy like I have all my other food allergies, but we ain't there yet. So, anyway, let's see here. From a brand called Voir Hair Care. I've never heard of them either. This is a Rainforest Mist Flawless Finish Hairspray, and this retails for $26. So, discover the magic in this mist with optimal light to medium hold and non-residuous... Is that a word? Residuous? Do they mean residual? Non-residuous superfine style. It casts an aromatic spell that doubles as doubles as a hair perfume to boot. A non-aerosol formula. Perfect! My asthmatic ass appreciates that. A non-aerosol formula that makes traditional hairspray tremble you can use after hot tools and let your hair's natural movement come alive, because it's time for your mane to go against the grain. Oh, I like the sound of that. That sounds wonderful. Holy shit. Oh, what is this guy? Ooh, it looks fun. So this is Lux and Willow. Oh, it even has Willow in the name. Lux and Willow Phoenix Rose Quartz Vibrating Facial Massager. Don't say a word. Don't do it. This retails for $80, and the Phoenix Rose Quartz Vibrating Roller will help you achieve that post-facial glow without leaving the house. The vibrating tool... Shut up! Don't do it! The vibrating tool helps to contour and tone the skin, while the cooling rose quartz sculpts the face and promotes blood circulation. Use with your favorite serum or moisturizer to maximize the effects of your skincare routine. Do you think this is safe to go in the skincare fridge or no? I'm erring on the side of no. I don't want to find out the hard way, given it's an expensive tool. Maybe just the stone itself is cool. Like, let's check this out. Like, we don't have to try the vibey part. I just want to see coolness ways. Because I have a feeling this one's not safe for the fridge. Oh, I ripped the box. Ah, well. I'll live. It's cool. I don't care that much. Ah! Boy, this box is just going to hell in a handbasket, isn't it? Oh, wait, there's... Oh, there's... I just opened it that way. There was more info in here. But that didn't do it that way. Oh, yeah, that is naturally hella cool. Oh, it's so cute. Rose gold. My fave. Oh, that is heckin'... Yes. Okay, yeah, that doesn't need to go in the fridge. It's just naturally cold. Does this, like, not work? Did it not come with batteries? Are the batteries deaded? I'm scared of what I might find. Oh, it just needs batteries. What size is that? Can't tell if it's double or triple A, maybe? Wait. I think it just needs one double A. Really? Is that correct? That's not bad, if that's true. One AA battery not included. Oh, wow! Okay! I'm so glad it's not watch batteries, guys! Oh my god, that actually makes me really happy. But even without the vibiness, like, that just feels good. That just feels good. Like, honestly, even on the neck, like, yes. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. But, yeah, that's... Ooh, pressure points on the shoulders. On the shoulders. Wow, okay. Whatever meridian is right here. That one. That one. Oh my gosh, like, even just as, like, an acupressure tool. Oh yes, this may be my new favorite thing for a while. Like, dude. And it's so cute. Like, for those vanity shelfie type pictures, like... This is so damn cute. My god. Like, I don't know if they make it in other colorways, but even if they do, I'm so glad that I got the rose gold one. With the rose quartz. You know how I feel about that. I don't even know how this was closed before. Ah! Oh well, it doesn't matter that much. We've only got one more product here, so. Okay, the paper. Okay, so from Wishful. Makes me think of my niece Karina with her little Wishful unicorn. Wishful Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. Ooh. Does it smell like honey? This is $49. Really? This is like almost the most expensive thing in here. The luxuriously textured Jelly Meats Balm Moisturizer infused with honey to lock in moisture for up to 24 hours and soothe skin. The addition of turmeric root extract helps minimize the appearance of hyperpigmentation and unevenness, while niacinamide brightens and visibly reduces the appearance of pores. The soothing lavender... Oh my god, this seems like it was made for me! The soothing lavender scent creates a relaxing and calming moment to enhance your self-care routine. Holy shit, we're opening right now. Gotta smell that lavender. Now I see why the box is purple. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to not kill it before I review it, but no promises are being made. Oh, it's so cute! Oh, we have holographic Sabu! Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah. Okay. Okay. That was not the texture I was expecting. This is like the texture almost... Okay. It's only the suction while pulling this out initially, but it's not actually that sticky. Initially I was like, is that like cake frosting? What? Oh, oh, honey. Dude, yes. Oh my god. Now I see why people are going gaga over this stuff. Dude! New favorite, at least on scent. I can't speak on quality yet. I may have to bump this up in the queue of what moisturizer is getting open next after my, what is it? Kate Somerville one runs out, because, oh my god. That is heavenly! Dude! Like, I know it's $49, but comparatively to some of the other bougie brands I have used lately, that seems cheap by comparison. Just saying, I'm like, no, even for that fragrance alone, I think I would consider actually paying that. Especially if I could find it on sale, like, I would definitely buy it then. But, yeah, that is pretty good. That's pretty good. Again, I might feel differently after I try it if it doesn't agree with my skin, but just so far, I'm in love with this. So, all in all, this was quite the good box, aside from maybe that bronzer. That bronzer I don't know how I feel about yet, but everything else, that is pretty solid. So anyways, that's about it, guys. So you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link as always is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.